Good morning, students. In the last class, we finished the dimensional formulae up to 15. We discussed the dimensional formulae. We'll just recall what are the dimensional formulas. First 7 will be fundamental quantities. But there will be no formulae for that fundamental quantities. What are the dimensional formulas? Length L, mass M, time T, temperature K or theta, electric current A, capital A or capital I, luminous intensity CD, quantity of matter mole, after that area, volume, density. So area L square, volume L cube, density M L power minus 3, velocity L t power minus 1, acceleration L t power minus 2, momentum M L t power minus 1, force M L square t power minus 2, impulse M L t power minus 1. Up to this we finished in the last class. How the questions will be there, I will tell. What is the dimensional formula of force? You have to memorize. So M L t power minus 2. That is the dimensional formula of force. Clear? They will ask directly, write the dimensional formula of force. Or they will ask, what is the dimensions of mass in the force? What is the dimensions of mass in the force? Its dimensions will be 1. What is the dimensions of length in the force? What is the dimensions of time in the force? Like that questions will be there. Or one more question will be, name two different physical quantities having same dimensional formula. Name two different physical quantities having same dimensional formula. Here if you take momentum dimensional formula ml t power minus 1 and impulse dimensional formula also ml t power minus 1. So these two are different physical quantities having the same dimensional formula. Is it clear? Name two different physical quantities having same dimensional formula. Like that questions will be there. Already I told to you, totally 90 dimensions are there, dimensional formulas are there. Just we finished 15, we'll continue one by one. Okay? You have to memorize all of this, remember. Next, after finishing of this impulse, let us see 16, work. Work symbol will be W. What is the formula for this work means? W is equal to F into S. So W is equal to Fs. So how this formula is came? At this junction of time you remember. Okay, that is enough. Next, force dimensional formula is what then? ml t power minus 2. Displacement dimensional formula will be L. So net will be m L square t power minus 2. That is the dimensional formula for the work. Is it clear? What is the dimensional formula for work means? M L square t power minus 2. Next, 17, potential energy. It is indicated by the letter P. It will also be indicated by the letter U also. Formula PE is equal to, before this acceleration due to gravity we will write first. After that we will write that. 16 completed na. Next 17 we will do acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. It is indicated by the letter small g. How it will be defined is the acceleration of a freely falling body is called acceleration due to gravity. For example, this is a body. This check piece. We dropped this in the air. That is freely falling body. How much acceleration it is having, that will be called as the acceleration due to gravity. So it is nothing but it is a form of acceleration. Or just it is acceleration only. So what is the dimensional formula of acceleration? Same will be there for acceleration due to gravity also. So this value will be Lt power minus 2. Already we know dimensional formula of acceleration is Lt power minus 2. Therefore dimensional formula of acceleration, that will be Lt power minus 2. Is my point is clear? Next. Acceleration of a freely falling body, that will be called acceleration due to gravity. So acceleration, its dimensional formula will be Lt power minus 2. Next, 18. Potential energy. This is indicated by the symbol PE. Formula for this is PE is equal to mgh. PE is equal to mgh. Calculate then. Mass dimensional formula, acceleration due to gravity dimensional formula, h dimensional formula. All combinedly you write, you will get the answer. That's why what I am saying, take one rough paper also. Try to do this one on the rough paper. Mass dimensional formula will be m. G dimensional formula will be Lt power minus 2. Mass dimensional formula will be m. G dimensional formula will be Lt power minus 2. H dimensional formula will be L. Then how much we will get this one finally? M L square T power minus 2. That is the dimension. M L square. So M L into L square T power minus 2. That is the dimensional formula of potential energy. Clear? So potential energy formula will be mgh. This also you have to memorize. This formula, how this is came, all will come and with proper explanation why potential energy is mgh. Everything will come clearly in the coming lessons. But in this lesson what we are doing, all the quantities of dimensions we are writing at one place. Some quantities you know, some quantities you don't know. That's why that is the formula. From the formula, how to derive the dimensional formula, if you learn, if you remember the dimensional formula, that is more than enough at this junction of time. Okay? Next 19. Kinetic energy. This is indicated by the letter Ke. Okay, kinetic energy Ke. So Ke formula will be half mv square. Formula for Ke is half mv square. Now try to write the dimensional formula for this. What we will get, see, m will be mass. Mass dimensional formula half. First off, half is a constant. It is not having any dimensions. So leave that half. M dimensions will be capital M. V dimensions will be LT power minus 1 whole square. V dimensions will be LT power minus 1 whole square. V square na whole square. So how much it is? M L square T power minus 2. That is the dimensional formula of kinetic energy. Clear? When you are listening to the present class, you should be thorough with the previous class. Then only this continuation will come and understanding for you will also takes place. Clear? Now this is the dimension formula. Now see, name two different physical quantities having same dimensions. Potential energy, kinetic energy. Potential energy means energy possessed by the body by virtue of its state. Because of the state, that body will gain some energy. That energy will be called as the potential energy. The energy acquired by the body by virtue of its state. For example, one stick is there. One stick. It is not having any energy. We bend that stick in the form of a bow. And here one thread we connected. Then it can, here if you place an arrow, if you pull this string back and release, this arrow will go in the forward direction. So because it is bending in the form of a bow, this stick will acquire energy so that that stick can be able to send the arrows in the forward direction. So because of its state, it is having energy. That energy will be called as the potential energy. For example, one stone is there, one 5 kg stone. It is on the earth surface. Let us take 1 kg. 1 kg stone is there on the earth surface. It is not having any energy. We lifted this stone to 1 kilometer height, some 8 feet height we took this stone. There it will have energy. From there, if you release that stone on anybody's head, their head will break. What will happen? Because of its state, because it is lifted to some 8 feet, it acquires some energy. That energy will be called as the potential energy. Energy possessed by the body by virtue of its state. Because of its state, if the body acquires energy, that energy will be called potential energy. Potential energy formula will be mgh. Next, kinetic energy formula is how much? Half mv square. The energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion. Because of the motion, if a body acquires any velocity, then that velocity will be, energy will be called kinetic energy. the energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion, that will be called kinetic energy. For example, take one bullet. Bullet, you know, na? More or less it will be like this. If take one bullet in your hand, try to send it to the other hand, whether it will go? No. That metal bullet, when it will not travel through this. But keep this bullet in the gun, fire it, it will make a hole and travel through your hand. What will happen there? So it acquires energy because of its velocity. That velocity, that energy will be called as the kinetic energy. The energy acquired by a body by virtue of its motion, that will be called kinetic energy. The energy acquired by a body by virtue of its state, that will be called potential energy. Is my points are clear? At this junction of time, once again I am saying, just you remember the formulas. Here each and everything we can't explain, just that is the formula, like that you remember. For example, one ball is there, one rubber ball. Throw that rubber ball slowly on your friend's back. Okay? Less pain he will get. If you increase the speed, that ball will hurt him more. What will happen? Ball is same only. Because velocity is increasing, if you throw very fastly on him, he will get hurt more. So what will happen? Because of its velocity, that ball will acquire energy. That energy will be called as the kinetic energy. Energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. Energy possessed by a body by virtue of its state, that will be called as the potential energy. Formulas for them will be mgh and half mv square. Dimensional formulas for them will be ml square t power minus 2, ml square t power minus 2. From this what we can say, these two are having same dimensional formula. Observe the dimensional formula for work. Work dimensional formula will also ml square t power minus 2. Okay? So work, energy will have same dimensional formula, remember. Any energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, so all will have same dimensional formulas, you remember. Next, 20 power. Power is indicated by the letter P. Okay. Then, what is the dimensional formula for this? How power formula? We have to know the formula for power. Then we can be able to write dimensional formula for power. Power formula will be work by time. Power formula will be work by time. Work dimensional formula, you know na? What is the dimensional formula? M L square T power minus 2 by T. Work dimensional formula ml square T power minus 2. Time dimensional formula T. So this value is equal to ml square T power minus 3. That is the dimensional formula of power. Rate of doing work is called power. How much work is done in 1 second? The amount of work done in 1 second, that will be called as the power. Power dimensional formula will be ml square T power minus 3. Is my point is clear? Next, after finishing of the now, today we finished up to now 5 quantities dimensional formulas. That's it. What are the quantities? First we wrote work. Work dimensional formula ml square T power minus 2. How I am saying na? Like that it should come to your house. Work dimensional formula ml square T power minus 2. Formula for work F into S. Next, acceleration due to gravity. It is indicated by the letter small g. How it will be there? It is a form of acceleration. So dimensional formula will be L T power minus 2. Clear? Next, work. Acceleration due to gravity. Next, potential energy. Formula mgh. P is equal to dimensional formula ml square T power minus 2. Kinetic energy. Formula half mv square. Dimensional formula ml square T power minus 2. Next, power. Work by time W by T. ml square T power minus 3. Like that it should come for you all. Next, 21, friction. It is indicated by the letter F, small f. Clear? What is meant by friction? Friction is a force which opposing the motion. Friction is a force which is opposing motion of the body. For example, this is a surface. Here I throw one ball on the surface. On the horizontal floor is very long, there is no walls. Like that you imagine, one big hall is there. I throwed one ball on the floor. Then what will happen? This ball will gradually move like this. When it is moving, its velocity will decreases, and finally it will comes to stop. Why it is stopping? Anybody is stopping that ball? No. Ball automatically stopping. No one is stopping the ball because of frictional force. So because of friction role will be, it will oppose the relative motion. Exactly. It will oppose the relative motion between the two bodies. So friction is nothing but a form of force. It is a form of force. So force dimensional formula how much? Friction dimensional formula will also be same. So force dimensional formula we know, I know ml T power minus 2. Same dimensional formula we will get here. What is its dimensional formula? ml T power minus 2. That is the dimensional formula of friction. Next, weight. Weight is indicated by the letter W. Normal reaction. It is indicated by the letter N. Weight, normal reaction. Weight is indicated by the letter W, or write separately. Weight formula will be mg. W is equal to mg. Small n value will be how much? Capital M. G value how much? Acceleration due to gravity. That value will be Lt power minus 2. In this class only it is a form of acceleration. So we wrote like this. So what is the dimensional formula for this is mLt power minus 2. Clear? Next, normal reaction. Normal reaction is indicated by the letter N. Its formula is also mg. So same dimensional formula mLt power minus 2. What is meant by weight means gravitational force acting on a body is called weight of the body. On the surface of the earth, on any body, earth will create force. The force applied by the earth on the body will be called weight of the body. Weight of the body will be mg. Its dimensional formula will be mLt power minus 2. Normal reaction. Normal reaction means Newton's third law, what it is saying is, Newton's third law, what it is saying, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction like that. Here one earth, we kept one body. This body's weight will act like this. Since body is applying force on the earth, earth will also, this is earth, will also apply force on the body in the upward direction. That will be called normal reaction. The force applied by the earth on the body, that will be called normal reaction. That these two will be same, weight and normal reaction. So dimensional formula will be mLt power minus 2. Now you observe force, weight. In the same manner, normal reaction, all will have the tension, thrust. All will have the same meaning. These are different forms of forces. So these are dimensional formulas will be mLt power minus 2. Different forms of length you are understanding. Length, breadth, height, depth, radius, thickness, all will have the same meaning. All other forms of length. In the same manner, weight, normal reaction, thrust, tension, all will have the same dimensions. That is mLt power minus 2. That is about normal reaction. Next 24, coefficient of friction. It is indicated by the letter mu. Coefficient of friction, it is indicated by the letter mu, Greek letter mu. How it will be pronounced? Mu. Understanding? What is the formula for coefficient of friction means? Mu is equal to F by N. Remember, small f is friction, capital small f is friction, N will be normal reaction. Okay? Ratio between friction and normal reaction. Ratio between friction and normal reaction, that will be called as the coefficient of friction. Is it clear? Ratio between frictional force and normal reaction. That will be called coefficient of friction. Then try to write the dimensional formula for this. So, friction is a force. Na? What is the dimensional formula of this? mL power minus 2. Normal reaction. It is also a form of force. That also mL power minus 2. mm will cancel, ll will cancel, tt will cancel. So this will be 1 will come. If you write 1, that is correct. Write the dimensional formula of mu. That will be 1 or no dimensions. That is also correct. If you write m power 0, l power 0, t power 0, that is also correct. Are you understanding my point? So we may write no dimensions, we may write 1, we may write m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. This is the best representation. M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. It has no dimensions. Clear? That is about coefficient of friction. Okay, coefficient of friction is indicated by the letter mu. Mu is equal to F by N. Frictional force and normal reaction ratio will be called as coefficient of friction. Frictional force dimensional formula mL power minus t, mL power minus 2. Normal reaction also mL power minus 2. So we will get this as no dimensions. Clear? Next. 25. So you take one notebook, practice along with me, then more idea will come about this. Don't sit ideally and don't listen. So take rough notebook, take one notebook, try to write the running notes. It will give more benefit for you from this lecture. Next one will be angular displacement. It is indicated by the letter theta. Angular displacement, that will be indicated by the letter theta. How it will be defined? Okay. So, how much angle a body is rotated in the circular motion? That angle will be called angular displacement. So, this is a circle. Here one body started. It came to here. How much angle it was? Like you take seconds hand in the wall clock. Here 12 will be there, here 3 will be there, here 6 will be there, here 9 will be there, like that it will be there, numbers. If the seconds clock came from 12 to 3, how much angle it was rotated? 90 degrees. Okay, what is the angular displacement means? 90 degrees. Clear? So, it came from 12 to 6. After 30 seconds, it will came from 12 to 6. What is the angular displacement? Pi. 180 degrees. It came from 12 to 9. After 45 seconds. So then this angle will be called it will be 270 degrees, 3 pi by 2 radians. So angular displacement means angle moved by a body in circular motion. Angular moved by a body in rotatory motion or in circular motion, that will be called as the angular displacement. So what we have to write here? Angle. No formula, that is just angle. What is the dimensional formula for angle means? We don't have any dimensional formulas, so no dimensions. Or we can write m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. That is the dimensions of angle, no dimensions. Sir, angle formula will be how much? Arc length by radius. Angle formula will be arc length by radius. In the circular motion, for example, a body came from here to here. This angle theta, this is arc length, this is radius. Arc length, radius and angle. What is the relation between them? Angle is equal to arc length by radius. Theta is equal to L by R. L value is dimension formula L only, na? R is radius, is a form of length only. Length will cancel. This will be 1. R m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. That is the dimensional formula for angular displacement. Is my point is understanding? So angular displacement is not having any dimensions. Formula angular displacement is nothing but angle moved by a body in a particular time interval. That will be called angle. Angle formula will be arc length by radius. That's why it is not having no dimensions. Not having dimensions. Next. So 10 we learned. Out of 90, up to now 25 we completed now. In this lecture we finished 10. What are that? See, just for my satisfaction I will tell you. In this lecture first we learned work. Work dimension formula. ml square t power minus 2. Next, acceleration due to gravity. Dimensional formula Lt power minus 2. Potential energy ml square t power minus 2. Kinetic energy ml square t power minus 2 power ml square t power minus 3. Clear? Next, friction ml t power minus 2. Weight ml t power minus 2. Next, normal reaction ml t power minus 2. Coefficient of friction, no dimensions. Angular displacement, no dimensions. Okay. This 10 completed in this class, still more some 10 we will learn in this class. Okay. If you have grip on that, one by one, you have to memorize all. Now 25 are completed. What are that? Metal, wall 25 once again. Length L, mass M, time T, temperature K, K R theta, electric current A R I, luminous intensity CD, quantity of matter mole, area L square, volume L cube, density M L power minus 3. Next, velocity L T power minus 1, acceleration L T power minus 2, momentum M L T power minus 1, force M L T power minus 2, impulse M L T power minus 1. Next, today work M L square T power minus 2, like that. Spontaneously you should tell the dimensional formulas. You should memorize the formulas for that physical quantities. Definitely, easily, you can answer the question asking from this chapter in the final examination. Okay. Next, angular displacement completed. Next, 26. Angular velocity. It is indicated by the letter omega. Angular velocity is indicated by the letter omega. This is the symbol. Just like W, not W. Omega. Okay. How it will be defined is omega is equal to theta by t. Omega is equal to theta by t. Theta, no dimension. Theta is what? Angular displacement. Angular displacement dimensions are no dimensions. No dimensions means what we have to write? 1. Time will be t. So, t power minus 1. That is the dimensional formula of angular velocity. Is it understanding? Omega is equal to theta by t. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Angular velocity is equal to angular displacement by time. So that's the dimensional formula will be t power minus 1. Next quantity, angular acceleration. In detail, everything it will comes in each and every lesson. At this junction of time, memorize it is a formula. Enough that is. Angular acceleration is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1 by t. Change in the velocity by time, that is acceleration. Change in the angular velocity by time, that will be angular acceleration. Understanding? That acceleration A is equal to v minus u by t, that will be called linear acceleration. This will be called angular acceleration. Okay? That formula will be omega 2 minus omega 1 by t. So, omega 2 minus omega 1, it will be t power minus 1. Change in the angular velocity and angular velocity will have same dimensions. Understanding? Angular velocity, change in the angular velocity will have same dimensions. So t power minus 1 by t This value will be t power minus 2. So, formula for angular acceleration is t power minus 2. Is it clear? So, what we are discussing, see, angular velocity means angular displacement by time. Angular displacement, no dimensions, time t, that will be t power minus 1. Angular acceleration, omega 2 minus omega 1 by t. Omega 2 minus omega 1 means t power minus 1 by t. This will be t power minus 2. Okay? That is angular acceleration. Next, I am saying some quantities you know. Already those quantities are came earlier in the 8th, 9th, 10th classes. Some quantities, what is the exact meaning of that also, you don't know. Remember the formula, remember the dimensional formula. That is enough at this junction of time. What is meant by that quantity? What is potential energy? In detail it will come. What is kinetic energy? Why kinetic energy formula is half mv square? In detail it will come. At this junction of time, just you remember energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. That is enough. Okay. Next, radius of gyration. I think first time you are listening this word, radius of gyration. You don't know. It is nothing but distance. Radius of gyration means distance. Form of distance. Now tell me the dimensional formula. Distance dimension formula is what? Same will be there for this radius of gyration. So it will be L. Next, moment of inertia. It is indicated by the letter I. This also you don't know. What is meant by moment of inertia? Now no need to learn all of this here. Its formula will be mk square. Moment of inertia formula will be mk square. M is mass, k is radius of gyration. So how much we will get here? M L square. Is it clear? Moment of inertia dimensional formula will be mk square. So ml square. No need to learn all. Just remember the formula. Try to apply get the dimension formula. That is enough. Next, angular momentum. This also you don't know. What is meant by? Maybe no, maybe most of the students don't know. You might not listen about these words also. Radius of gyration, moment of inertia, angular momentum. So angular momentum formula will be mvr. Its symbol is capital L. Its formula will be mvr. Mass into velocity into radius. So mass how much? M. Velocity how much? Lt power minus 1. R how much? L. Mass M. Velocity Lt power minus 1. R it will be L. So what is its dimensional formula? ml square t power minus 1. ml square t power minus 1. That is the dimension formula of angular momentum. These 5 also we learned. In this class, up to now you learned 15 new quantities dimensional formulas. Okay. What are that? These 5: angular velocity t power minus 1, angular acceleration t power minus 2, and radius of gyration L, moment of inertia, formula will be mk square, dimensional formula ml square, angular momentum indicated by the letter L, and its dimensional formula will be ml square t power minus 1. Okay, next. Some more 5 we will learn. Yes, why can't? 90 are there now. So one by one we will learn. Next. 31. Torque. This also what is meant by torque you don't know. This term will not also came up to 10th. May came. I also exactly don't know. Torque symbol will be tau. Right like this. This is the symbol of torque. Tau. How it will be pronounced? Greek letter. Tau. Okay, how it will be defined? Formula for torque. F into R. F into R will be called torque. Now write down the dimensional formula. Write down force you know, R you know, distance. What is the dimensional formula for this? M L t power minus 2 into L. So what is the dimensional formula for this? M L square t power minus 2. M L square t power minus 2, that is the dimensional formula for torque. Next. After torque, let us see pressure. Pressure symbol is also P. Power symbol is also P. Like that, some quantities symbols will be one or two quantities same, because science was not, the subject is not developed by a single scientist and not at the same time in a span of 10 years, in a span of 20 years. It is not like that. Some 400-500 years of hard work by number of scientists throughout the worldwide it is there. So at that time communication gap is there in the scientists. Archimedes introduced pressure and he used the symbol P. Some more Joule introduced the power and he used the same letter P. Like that, maybe one or two quantities, very few. But they will mention, they won't give P, they will give pressure. Then you have to use. Pressure formula will be force by area. Pressure formula will be force by area. Write down. Then write down what is, tell me the dimension formula for me. So, force M-L T power minus 2. Area L square. So, this L power minus 2, 1 minus 2 means minus 1. So, this value M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. That is the dimensional formula of pressure. What is the dimensional formula? M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. This term you listened, pressure. This term you are not listened, I think so. This time you learn the formulas. Next. 33. Stress. stress formula is also F by A. Force per unit area is called stress. So same dimensional formula will come now. What is the dimensional formula? M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. That is the stress dimensional formula. Okay. Next, strain. Strain not having any symbol. Strain is equal to delta L by L. Strain dimensional formula will be change in the length by length. So what we will get? Change in the length and length will have same dimensions. So L by L, this is 1. So what is the dimension formula? M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. That is the dimensional formula of strain. Next, modulus of elasticity. Modulus 35. Modulus of elasticity. This is indicated by the letter E, capital E. E is equal to stress by strain. Modulus of elasticity, stress by strain. Stress dimensional formula how much? M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Strain dimensional formula will be 1. No means don't write 0. Writing here 0, so something by 0 is infinity. Don't write like that. No dimensions means you have to write 1. Again it will be how much? M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Okay. So this is the dimensional formula for modulus of elasticity. Up to now 35 are completed. Still 2 lectures are required to finish this remaining 55 dimensional formulas. Is my point is clear? So when you are coming to the next class, prepare the dimensional formulas of all these quantities. Then you come, your work becomes easy. Okay? Just listening and leaving. It is not the way of learning. Learning means prepare all. Then listen the next lecture. Then some clarity will come for you on the subject. Okay, because of this it is happening. Like that, if you are not again and again, continuously you can't able to listen for 1 hour. At this age, concentrating power will be less. Some 15 minutes you listen, give small gap of 5 minutes. Next 15 minutes you listen, recall what happened in that 15 minutes. Try to recall, like that your preparation style is there. Definitely you will get advantage of this. In this lecture, we wrote the dimensional formulas of 20 quantities. What are that? I will write simple. Work ml square t power minus 2. Next, acceleration due to gravity Lt power minus 2. Potential energy ml square t power minus 2. Kinetic energy ml square t power minus 2. Power ml square t power minus 3. Next, friction ml t power minus 2. weight ml t power minus 2, normal reaction ml t power minus 2. Next, coefficient of friction, no, m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. Next, angular displacement, m power 0, l power 0, square brackets will be there for all of this, remember. Next, 10. Angular velocity, t power minus 1, angular acceleration alpha, t power minus 2, radius of gyration, L, moment of inertia, m, L square. Next, angular momentum, m, L square, t power minus 1. Okay. Next, torque, ml square t power minus 2. In the order only I am coming. What the order I told? Same order I am following. Torque, pressure, ml square, no, ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. Stress, ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. Strain, no dimensions. Modulus of velocity, ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. These are the different dimensional formulas, 20 dimensional formulae, just you learn in this class. Remaining will continue in the next lecture. Okay? Already I told how to take the advantage of this means, take running notes and follow the class.